are supporting V since last 3 years. What do you want to say about V?
Women's entrepreneurs excel. I met Chaitali about 3 years back at a book launch event, and then she got in touch with me, and I realized that there was a lot of enthusiasm, and she was trying to get a lot of women entrepreneurs under one roof. So I, said, I'm always there with you. The Om Puri Foundation will support you because for the simple reason Omji also believed in supporting various causes and women entrepreneurs. And then after that I realized every year I came from the first year to the second year to the third year. We is expanding. There are a lot more women, and she manages this very well with a lovely team. And everyone, whoever has been from We have actually expanded. They have expanded their, businesses, their horizons, and I've seen new people coming in. There's a teacher who's getting into, marketing fish and stuff like that, poultry products. It's wonderful to see that the women are being encouraged, and especially in this lockdown time, I think we really did fabulously because everyone was doing, from the house, they were doing home kitchens and stuff like that, and we gave a platform to the women who could show their, talents, their crafts, their whatever, and put it on a public platform.
Ma'am, you are the jury for today's V Awards.
Ji.
Can you throw light on the process and your experience with respect of V Awards?
I think the process is a very fair, sensible process, and there's no partiality, there's no people, all the women who put in their application, it's well checked out without, any names and all, and then we go through it. So it's a very, very fair process, and I think also it encourages women.
Ma'am, V founder चैताली जी के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
अरे चैताली जी के बारे में I'm so proud that when I first met her and she said okay, she regards me like an elder sister, Didi, I'm doing this, I said, Chaitali, whatever you're doing, I'm always there, because there was a sense of sincerity in her, and I don't know where she gets her immense energy. Touch wood, hope it stays that way. And she has lovely team members to support her. And she's very, very understanding. She is firm, but at the same time, she's wonderful, kind, and gets in so many people and gives everyone a platform, And she will call up and say, see, this one is doing that and that one is doing this. So please encourage. And it's so beautiful. It's lovely that, women empowerment truly comes when every woman helps each other. We have noticed in Indian history that women are women's biggest enemies. But this, like we and some other organizations, where women are actually helped, women help women, this is very important. This is a trend, and this should be supported, and I'm all there for it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rolling. Yes. Rolling. Camera.
Ma'am, say something about V.
Hi everyone, this is Chaitali Chatterjee, founder of We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. We Women Entrepreneurs is a platform which helps women entrepreneurs to grow their business. So we do it through WhatsApp and Facebook group, social media, online and offline events, and various other ways. We are now 8,200 plus women entrepreneurs in 8 locations in India: Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore. During the lockdown, we started in Singapore and Assam as well. We have some entrepreneurs in Australia and Dubai as well. So this is all about We. We also have a project called We Clean Project, where we support women from rural and less privileged girls as well, where we are donating sanitary pads and other hygienic products.
Okay, ma'am, what's your plan for the year?
So we have a lot of plans. So we have a lot of networking meets, where a lot of online programs, a lot of panel discussions, like speaking, today we are launching Weavers India project. Now, this Weavers India project is a project where we are connecting to rural entrepreneurs, rural women, rural people, and then we are purchasing the products from them. And then what we are doing, we are our women entrepreneurs will be trading those products, and whatever money is coming from that, we are giving it to We Clean project. So we are supporting 3 communities. One is the rural India, one is the urban women entrepreneurs, and third is the communities, that is the less privileged girls and women. This during lockdown itself, we also started V's e-commerce platform called v-online.com, where women entrepreneurs can enlist their products and services there.
Ma'am, tell us something about today's award show.
Yeah, today this award was supposed to happen last year. We already completed the jury last year in 2020. But what happened is, just before our award function, 2 days back, the lockdown had, and we couldn't do this award. We had to cancel that day, and so we are doing it this year now today. And as I told you, we are launching this, and we are also launching one more event where we are basically, there are a lot of women and girls who are aspiring to to show their talent in the entertainment industry as well. So we are planning to start today. One of the event called Top iconic fashionista top model of the year, but this is only for the middle class women and girls in the 3 categories. One, the normal one, the ladies who are they had the dreams, but because of the family and all, they had to leave everything. But we are bringing them up, and we want them to showcase their talent, and also for the men, but only middle class people.
Ma'am, one last. Okay, what do you want to say about your V Core team or the V Full group?
Okay, let me tell you about V Core team. See, nothing happens alone. Okay, the meaning of V is we grow together. That is our motto. So here we are telling every woman to purchase products from them, and we tell to promote themselves, promote each other, and that's what. And my team, without my team I am nothing. So that's we is we, it's not I.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
We. Well, it all begins in the source. I've just come from the Ganga, and it says it starts from a Himalayas, from a drop, and it started with Chaitali. Chaitali means water, and I think meeting Chaitali has been like a tributary, and she spreads her pathways in so many beautiful forms that it's spiritual and it's all embracing.
Okay. What message do you want to give women entrepreneurs?
Women entrepreneurs, in fact, I was listening to Simran, and she says, yes, we need women entrepreneurs, because I am one myself, being a musician, creating new pathways for music directors. And in my own way, I think there are just 5 little qualities that women entrepreneurs should have, and that is the characteristics are motivation. You have to be motivated, because without that you can't go forward. Then I think passion. Every day you have to wake up with that passion. It has to be done. Then definitely vision to reach there, decision making, and what else? I think the confidence to be that you will achieve and you will succeed.
We founder Chaitali ji ke bare mein aap kya?
Chaitali is, like I said, her name in the Hindu origin means water, and water is one of the best elements of nature, right? And Chaitali is also like an iceberg. You just see the tip of the iceberg, but below the water, there's some fabulous thing happening. And thanks to her, I also helped a lady entrepreneur today, and I picked up this beautiful, beautiful purse, and I'm clutching at the straw. It's not the last straw. Thank you, Chaitali. May your tribe increase, and we are here with you. We are here to endure. Shri Om.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Around 1 year back, when I was, invited by Chaitali to become a jury member, and then they invited nominations for the various category of awards, and those nominations were, judged by all jury members, and then we wrote our comments to them, and some we rejected, some we selected, and finally all of us jointly decided that who is going to be winner today.
So what message do you want to give to women entrepreneurs?
See, women entrepreneur, not only in our country but across the globe, women are doing wonders now. Gone are those days when women were considered to be very, compassionate and all those things. Woman is showing what you said, Nari Shakti is now exhibiting everywhere. So women are doing very well, and Chaitali has created this platform for women, V platform, and it's really helping all young women and all young entrepreneurs. I've seen stalls today. Many good stalls are there today in the exhibition. So I hope women are doing wonders and they will continue to do so.
So we founder चैताली जी के बारे में आपको क्या लगता है?
Chaitali, I love her. I met her as my student in 1998. I was teaching to MBA in Indore in IPS Academy, and she was a student there. So from there I know her, and then I came to Mumbai, she came to Mumbai. Then I appointed him in my company as a sales executive and started giving her training to sales and everything. So it's a long association with Chaitali, and she's just a wonderful lady and working for noble cause, upliftment of women and for every. She's just wonderful. I don't have enough words to say about her.
Okay. So what do you do exactly, and what are your future plans to work with me?
Yeah, I think I have 34 years of experience working in the corporate world. Currently, I am associated with one of the management institute as a director. But my passion is training. So I am in soft skill training, motivational training. I have been doing it continuously during lockdown period. I have more than 100 online training programs for various corporates and other people. So that is my passion area, and I started my own academy also, D2H Academy, Domain to Holistic Academy, because I saw people are more giving domain knowledge, which is not enough for a person to become a holistic human being. So I started this academy with an intention to give a complete knowledge. Domain to Holistic is the name given to that academy, and I see the future of Chaitali very bright, future of V very bright, and I am already associated with this V as a founder member and as a counselor, etc. And I will continue to give my services to V as and when it is required by me.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, madam.
है when you plan a startup, और WEE बहुत खूबसूरती से ये निभाता है और हर उस लड़की को पूरा सपोर्ट देता है. So if your endeavor is into finance, they will connect you with people who are related to finance. I think that's phenomenal. And यहाँ पर जो beautiful stalls हमने लगाए हैं, most of them of course lot to do with clothes, attires, creativity, innovation, jewelry, everything got to do with the female stuff that we love to shop. So I'm going to request you all कि आप सब भी please इन्हें support कीजिए, इन्हें प्रोत्साहित कीजिए, just by being a part of it, by shopping something जो हम वैसे भी करते हैं. But why not come and really encourage and empower these beautiful girls? So मैं WE से यही कहना चाहूँगी, आप बहुत खूबसूरती से काम करते हैं. अब हम भी आपको जितना हो सके साथ देना चाहेंगे. So thank you for allowing me to be a part of it.
Last question, ma'am. Any special message for Chaitali Didi?
Yes, of course. Chaitali Didi, आपसे ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी कि जो आप कर रहे हो व्यूअर्स के लिए. So today आज यहाँ पर grand unveiling हो रहा है, launch हो रहा है. That is WEE Weavers. So where they're going to go to the interiors, and of course cities में हमें opportunities मिलती है, but what about those who stay in small towns, in villages? So जो हमारे weavers हैं villages में उनके पास जाकर उन्हें exposure देकर how to go ahead and sell the garment on a direct basis so that they can earn some profits, some better profits. So ये जो काम आज हम launch कर रहे हैं, तो मैं ढेर सारी बधाई देना चाहूँगी Chaitali. You do phenomenal work, and I'm really proud of you. Not just me, all of us are extremely proud of WEE, the organization that truly makes a woman complete. So thank you Chaitali, and congratulations on the grand launch. इसके अलावा एक और surprise है. Of course we do have the awards, but there's also yet another surprise to be announced. For that I'll have to wait and watch, which is in the next 1 hour. So thank you, and lots of love to you. My name is Simran Ahuja. Truly delighted to be here.
When you was launched, and you are supporting me since last 3 years, what do you want to say about me?
See, yes, I'm very happy to say and confess that I was here when V was launched for the first time, and Chaitali ji always says this, that I'm very lucky for V but I also feel that we is very lucky for me. And all I want to say to Chaitali and the entire gang is we, the very name is very, very powerful, because it is we together that makes this platform. And women need to understand that once we are together, we are going to rule the world. So I think we is very soon going to rule the world.
What message do you want to give to women entrepreneurs?
The only message that I want to give to every entrepreneur, not only women entrepreneur, but for women entrepreneur for sure, is that there are 3 things that they need to do in this world. 1, they need to stick to their competencies. Second, it is very important that they have confidence on their product, on their services, but very, very importantly on themselves. And third, and the most important thing, is something called as sisterhood shout out, right? What I called as sisterhood shout out. This is a man's world because women have allowed it to be. It is important that we claim our world back. And for that, I think the first step is to network together. And with we, I see a lot of women trying to do that. So stick to the cause, take over the world, and you're soon going to rule the skies.
वी फाउंडर चैताली जी के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
चैताली जी के बारे में मेरा केवल मात्र एक ही कहना है कि मैं बहुत महिलाओं को जानती हूँ और उसमें बहुत सारी महिला उद्योजिकाओं को जानती हूँ। चैताली में एक बहुत बड़ी खासियत ये है कि वो केवल मात्र एक उद्योजिका नहीं है, वो ये चाहती है कि हर महिला के अंदर से वो चैताली निकाले, और चैताली अपने जैसी अनेकों महिलाओं को पैदा कर रही है, उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे रही है वी के माध्यम से, और यही सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ चैताली जी के बारे में है।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच।